Who would have thought an Englishman can make egg fried rice that tastes absolutely authentic? That's right. I'm from Manchester in the UK, and watch the video. I'll show you the secret of making perfect egg fried rice. Right, really simple ingredients. Let's just quickly go through them. Wash, cook and chill your rice for several hours in the fridge. You're going to need some frozen peas, salt and pepper, 3 eggs, soy sauce, rapeseed oil. I'm going to use a red pepper and some shallots and MSG. Now if you don't use MSG, it's just going to be a tribute. It ain't actually going to taste anything like egg fried rice. So get yourself some MSG and you'll be surprised at the results. Let's get started. Right, warm your pan up. Get your oil in there. Get the oil nice and warm so we've got some smoke coming off it. As you can see, that's warming up nicely. And then we're going to drop the onions in there with the peppers. Get them in. Give them a mix around. That's the shallots and the peppers. Then we're going to put the peas in. There we go. Peas are in. Peppers, onions. Let it all cook up a little bit. Move it around. I'm going to grind some pepper in. Some pepper in there. A little bit of salt. Get that mixed around. And now, magic ingredient. Magic ingredient. Some MSG. I've got some MSG now. Just sprinkle that in. Get it all over everything. Give it a nice mix around. All nicely mixed around. Let that cook a second. Right, now I'm going to pop the rice in. The rice is nice and dry. In it goes. Much as you want to serve yourself, get that in there. Fold those ingredients in. Look at that. Get the ingredients all folded in nicely. Looking rather good. As you can see, starting to brown up nicely. If Uncle Roger's watching this, I hope you're impressed. I'm from Manchester, England. And that's right, I'm using MSG. Now I'm going to pop some soy sauce around the edge of the wok. Just a little bit to start with. I'm going to make a little well in the centre. Just there in the centre. And all this is happening in real time. There's no edits. And then the eggs can go in. Just give them a good mix around. Incorporate them all together like that. And just keep it moving. Keep it all moving around. As you can see, that's coming together nicely. Very nearly done. I know Uncle Roger normally puts some spring onion on, but I ate that yesterday, so just get a little bit more soy sauce around there. So we can get a nice brown finish to the rice. Look at that. Ain't that looking great? Cook a bit. There we go. Lovely. Nice and brown. Egg fried rice. Let's get this served up and give it a taste. Now, I was supposed to do a taste test, but as you can see, I'm already getting stuck in. It just tastes phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, the difference is the MSG. If you want it to be Chinese, hold on a minute. Sorry. It's just too good. If you want it to be Chinese, use the MSG. Otherwise, it won't taste anything like it. It'll just be a tribute. So yeah, anyway. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. Smash the thumbs up. Give us a like. And hit that hype button. Really helps the video. So yeah, I really do appreciate it. And thank you for watching. I'm going to get stuck into this. It's just too good.